Hey guys, it's Tony here. I'm gonna try to be quiet because my baby's actually sleeping, but this isn't gonna be a long video. I'll probably make another video on Doggy on the actual UI from Robinhood. But we actually just crossed the 4-hour MACD on the bullish side, which is why you guys see us going over towards the upside, towards the 4 cent level. Like I told you guys before, we did bounce off this 3 cent level, the 0.33 level. I told you guys on the last TA that I did that we're more than likely going to bounce off this level and head all the way back to 5 cents, which is basically the direction that I'm thinking. So on the day chart, the stochastic, it does look like we're creating a bottom and we're headed all the way back up to 5 cents, as well as the week chart. The week chart, it does look like we're about to cross again towards the upside, and also for the hour charts, still looking bullish. And then for the 4-hour, we actually just crossed over to the bullish side. So I do think as of right now, we are headed back up to 5 cents. And I do think that this is because people are starting to buy, because everybody's funds are starting to clear. And this is basically all the rush of people that were signing up for Robinhood and everywhere, and all the other brokers that allow for DogeCoin purchasing, that they signed up last week, and their funds are actually just getting cleared today, which is Wednesday, which is like what, 5 days later. So I do think that the rush of people coming in to purchase DogeCoin is actually going to be a huge influx within the next couple of days, because people's funds are actually just starting to get cleared. But yeah, like I said, I do think we're headed back up to 5 cents. I'll see you guys later. Good night.